Want salon-smooth results without the salon price? Let's make smooth skin simple. Welcome to MTH Health, your space for smart, safe self-care. Today, you'll learn how to perform a professional-style Brazilian wax right at home, even if you're brand new. Most people avoid waxing themselves because they expect pain, irritation, or a mess. But the truth is, with the right prep and technique, anyone can do it safely. Here's what you'll need: quality hard wax or sugar wax, a wax warmer, wooden applicators, a cleanser, and aloe gel for aftercare. Before you start, exfoliate gently a day before and always test the wax temperature. It should feel like warm honey. Apply wax in the direction your hair grows. Hold your skin tight and pull firmly in the opposite direction. That's the professional way: smooth, fast, and controlled. Right after you pull, press your hand over the area for 3 seconds. This calms the nerves instantly and helps reduce redness. Quick recap: prep your skin, apply with care, pull with confidence, and soothe right after. Follow this formula and you'll get salon-quality results at home. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more practical beauty and self-care tips. Drop your questions below. We love helping you glow with confidence. Thanks for watching.